Okay, today I want to talk about one of the benefits of the side hustles that I do for retirement. So, this is a really big deal, and I'm a finance person. So, I am completely aware of this, but I don't think a lot of people are. See that no trespassing sign behind me? Like, who's going to want to go out there? There's so many mosquitoes right now. Nobody's going to want to go out there. No trespassing, not me. Anyway, okay, so one of the best things that you can do when you have a side hustle for tax purposes is you can take 25% of your earnings or of your net income, not your gross income. So your net income after you have had your tax accountant calculate what your profit and loss was for the year. If you have a profit, you can take 25% of that money from your side hustles and place it in a IRA or a self-employed REA or IRA called a SEP IRA. And I have taken advantage of this for the last 10 years. Now, one of the things that you can't do is you can't take that money out until you're 59 and a half without penalty unless you are using it for, I believe, higher education. There might be a few more tax laws that you can take it out for proof that you can use it for that, because we're going to probably use some of that for my daughter's education. But it's a huge tax savings, because then you don't have to pay tax. You pay 25% less tax on your business income. Now, obviously, this is if you have a profit, and hopefully you do have a profit. If you are, sorry, I have a mosquito I gotta get. If you are in a business. So, like I said, 25% of your net income can be put in a SEP IRA. Now, I use the Vanguard. So then at the end of the year, after you can put deposits in through the year, but you might have to take some out if your income isn't as high as you thought it was going to be. So what I would do is I would put some in first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. I wouldn't put anything in because you get until March to put the money in, and then my tax accountant would figure out the 25% of the money that I could put in, and then I would fund the rest of that to get to the 25%. And then I would put it in a Vanguard, and I use the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, and I'm actually averaging 12.1% this year and last year, which that's not normal, but the Vanguard IRA stock is doing really well. So that is just a really big benefit of being self-employed or having a side hustle that I highly recommend that you take advantage of and look into. It's called a SEP IRA. Very useful. If you have any questions, you can answer me in the comments. I am not a tax accountant, but I can probably give you a little bit of information that I know, and you definitely check with your tax accountant and make sure that that is kosher. But what a great way for you to reduce the taxes that you're paying now, put some money into your retirement accounts, all while you're doing your side hustle gigs. So cheers, and hopefully that helps someone. And I'm not going to trespass. Too many mosquitoes.